Good morning, students. So today's class continues of previous class. Okay, volume of combination of solids. Okay, already two questions are completed. Now third question. Okay, so question you write from your book. Okay? So please understand. A clove jar. Okay, right. Contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its value. Contains sugar syrup up to 30% of its value. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 clove jar. How much syrup would be found in 45 clove jar? Clove jars, okay. Each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2 cm. Okay. So clove jar shape is given. Okay. Like this, like capsule. Like capsule. Okay. Like capsule. Tube மாத்திரப்பில்ல இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு clove jar. Okay, right. So measurement is given. Diameter 2.8 cm. Okay, so it is common both cylinder as well as hemisphere. Okay, so diameter of cylinder and hemisphere is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Okay, so radius is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Radius is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Then length a hemispherical ends. Okay, with the length to 5 centimeter, the total length to 5 centimeter. Okay, including to hemisphere shape. So find the height of cylinder. It is a cylinder. Okay, right. What is this? It is diameter of hemisphere. Diameter of hemisphere. What is it? It is radius. Okay. What is the radius? 1.4. Okay. So height of cylinder is equal to total length minus the total length minus one radius minus another one radius. Here one radius is there, here one radius is there. Okay, so total length minus radius minus radius. Okay, so minus 2 times of radius. Total length minus 2 times of radius. Okay, so total length how much? 5 centimeter minus 2 into radius 1.2. So 2 into radius means that is diameter. Okay, so 5 minus 2.8, that is 2.2 centimeter. Okay, so height of cylinder is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Okay, so we need to find the volume of clove jar. Volume of clove jar. Okay, so it is like cylinder and two ends with the hemisphere. Okay, like this. Okay, so how will find the volume? Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, then plus volume of hemisphere. Are you clear? Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, right. So volume of, so first we find the clove jar. Okay. So volume of clove jar. Okay, clove jar how will find? How will find? Volume of cylinder plus 2 times of volume of hemisphere. 2 times of value of a hemisphere. Okay, then find the value of cylinder. Value of cylinder formula by r square h plus value of hemisphere. 2 times of value of hemisphere. Okay, so 2 into 2 by 3 by r cube. Value of cylinder by r square h plus 2 value of hemisphere. So 2 into value of hemisphere formula 2 by 3 by r cube. Okay, the radius values are same both hemisphere as well as cylinder. Okay, so you take this common by r square. So remaining h plus 4 by 3 r by r square by here r cube is there. From r cube it took us r square remaining r. Now substitute the values. 22 by 7 into 1.4. Radius r square means r into r. 1.4 into 1.4. 1.4 into 1.4. Okay, then h value 2.2 centimeter. Right, as cylinder 2.2 centimeter. Okay, so 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into 1.4. 1.4. Okay, so 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4. Okay, now find it. This we can cancel 0.2. So 22 into 0.2 into 1.4, then 2.2, their cross multiplication no other way 6.68 plus 4 into 1.4. Okay, so 14 into 4, 10 4s are 40, 4 4s are 16, 56. So 5.6 will come divided by 3. Then multiply on 2 into 0.28, then 22, 6.168 into 5.6 plus 6.68, 12.2 divided by 3. Okay, then you multiply. Okay, so 75.152 divided by 3 means, okay, so 25 into 3 75, balance is 0, then take 1, from 1 we cannot write the answer, so 0, then 50 means 5, then 2, from 2 we cannot write it. Okay, so 25.5 centimeter cube. Okay, it is approximate value. Then it is for 1 kilogram. Okay, so totally how many kilograms are there? Totally 45, I think. Okay, so total value. So value of 45 kilograms is equal to 45 into, otherwise we can write the same answer here because we can cancel it. Okay, 75.152 divided by 3, 1 3 is 3, 15 3 is up. Okay, so 75.152 into 15 into 15. Okay, into 15. Okay, then you multiply into 15. Right, if you are multiplying means you get here 3 digits are there, so you keep after 3 digit place. Okay, so 1127.28 centimeter cube. Okay, so total volume of 45 kilograms. Okay, total volume of 45 kilogram is equal to 1127.28 centimeter cube. Okay, so but we need only volume of syrup. Okay, so that is 30% of a kilogram contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its value. 30% of its value. Okay, so next we need to find volume of syrup. So volume of syrup is equal to volume of syrup. Okay, that is volume of syrup. Okay, 30% of its value is equal to 30% of its multiplication in max. Okay, its value of kilogram. Okay, so 30 into 11,000, 30%. So 30 by 100 equal to 1127.28. Okay, 30% of. Okay, so 30% we can write as 30 by 100 into 1127.28. Okay, if reduce now you get 338 approximately gram. Okay, sorry, it is centimeter cube. Okay, so approximate value 338. Okay, centimeter cube. Okay, so you divide the 0 cancel. So 1127.28 into 0.3 means you will get the answer 338. Okay, that's all students. Once again multiply. 3 8s are 24. Balance 2. 2 3s are 6. 8. 7 3s are 21. Balance 2. 7 3s are 28. Balance 2. 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8. Balance no. Okay, 1 3 is 3 3 3. Okay, here 2 decimal, here 1 decimal. You place after 1 inch means 338.184. 338.184 centimeter cube will come. Okay, that's all students. This question. Okay, students. Next to fourth question. A pen stand, like your diagram is given. Okay, pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay, one shape is cuboid is there. Okay, that cuboid in four conical depression. Four conical depression is there. To hold pens. அதாவது பென் ஸ்டாண்ட்ல வந்து பென் வந்து நம்ம என்ன வந்து ஸ்டாண்ட் ஓகே நிக்க வைக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஷேப்பை கட் பண்ணி உள்ள எடுக்கறாங்க லைக் கோனிக்கல். ஓகே, கோனிக்கல் டிப்ரெஷன். The dimension of the cuboid are 15 centimeter. So length is equal to 15 centimeter for cuboid. Okay, breadth is equal to 10. Then height is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Then next, the radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter. Okay. So radius of cone, next to cone. Radius is equal to 0.5 centimeter. And depth, that is height, order. Okay. Height is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So find the value of the wood in the entire stand. So here is the confusion over. Okay, right. AMS surface area பார்த்தோம். They want to add the surface or the area, but here want to subtract because from the cuboid shape you cut out the conical depression. Okay, so you take அதே the capacity. அது உள்ள இருக்கு, அது வெளியில எடுக்கிறோம். So that weight is reduced. That weight is reduced. Okay, so we want to subtract. Okay, so how many conical depression is there? 4. Okay, so volume of wood is equal to volume of wood is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of cuboid minus 4 times of volume of core. 4 times of here volume of core. Okay, that's all. Any doubt there? Volume of cubical stand minus volume of 4 conical parts. Okay, that is 4 volume of core. Okay, so you find the value. Okay, it is over. Okay, so adhu nama cut panni velila edukrom, so only subtract here, but in surface area we want to add. While finding for the same sum, we need to find the surface area, means we want to add the surface area. Okay, but while finding value we want to subtract. Okay, you want to subtract. Okay, it is homework. It is homework. The next sum. Next is 6th question. So already I think 4th question is given. 4th question explained. Okay, some confusion. 5 potana 4 potana della konjam paathuko seriya. Right. Now 6th question, it is also homework. Okay, I will explain now. A solid iron pole consists of cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm. One iron pole is there, that is like cylinder. Okay, so the height is 220 cm, diameter is equal to 24 cm. So what about radius of this cylinder? Radius is equal to 12 cm. Radius of the cylinder is equal to 12 cm. Height is given, which is surmounted by another cylinder. Which is surmounted by another cylinder. Inde pathadu two different shape. Now two also same. Okay, right. Of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. So find the mass of the pole. Given that 1 cm cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. 8 gram mass. Okay, right. So by value is given 3.14. So like this already learned in 9th standard sum. Okay, right. So how will you find the total value? What is the record value? Volume of cylinder plus volume of cylinder. Okay, no need to subtract this portion. No need to subtract this portion. Okay, because it is value. புரியுதா இல்லையா? இது ஒரு வாட்டர் பாட்டில் இருக்கு, இது மேல இன்னொரு மேல சிலிண்டர் ஷேப் வைக்கிறேன். Okay, so we need to find value. So it is value plus this value. இதனுடைய வெயிட்டையும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? டோட்டல் பண்ணணும். அதை விட்டு சோ இந்த இடம் நான் ஆக்குபை யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன், அதனால செப்பரேட் பண்ண முடியாது. சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியால இத நம்ம ஒமிட் பண்ணிடுவோம். because surface area நமக்கு தெரியாது கண்ணுக்கு. only this area plus top area plus bottom area. Okay, while finding value we need to add very easiest one. Okay, so the value of cylinder 1, it is assumed as cylinder 1, it is assumed as cylinder 2. Okay, so cylinder 1 radius height radius, cylinder 2 radius height radius. Okay, so value of pole is equal to value of cylinder 1 plus value of cylinder 2. Okay, so next we need to find mass. Okay, mass is equal to value into density. Okay, here value you found it, density is given. Okay, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.8 gram. Okay, so into 0.8, so find the weight in gram. Okay, so by value here 3.14, use it. By value 3.14, use it. Okay, so today's homework is 4th question and 6th question homework. Okay, 4th question, 6th question homework. Okay, thank you students.